Hello, my name is Ruslan. I am 30 years old. At this moment I am working at Nova Farm company. This company in Ukraine provides sell service. We sell equipment like case combines, tractors, and other equipment. And we also provide service in harvesting crops. Right now we are harvesting soy, and for this we are using combine case 8120. The capacity of this combine is about 420 horsepower, and right now I would like to show you my skills in operating this machine. Okay. As you can see, we are harvesting the soy. It's not very easy because we need to put our reaper pretty close to the ground. So thank you.